Hi everybody! Today's video is a very different one. It's a compilation of old recipes in order to compose a perfect ketogenic meal. I hope it will be very useful for you during this period of holidays and parties with family and friends. I hope you will like it and we will consider subscribing to my channel. You will only need some prosciutto. If you put your prosciutto on parchment paper at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, you will have delicious chips. This focaccia bread will be useful with all the dishes that I present you in this video. So have fun and add your favorite toppings. Now we are going to prepare a delicious keto focaccia. You will need only 2 eggs, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese and 100 grams of shredded cheese. This time I will do them with olives, so I will also need 1 olive for every little focaccia. Mix your 100 grams grated Parmesan with 150 grams shredded cheese and the 2 eggs. With these ingredients, you'll prepare 8 focaccias if you shape them using a cutter made for hamburgers. Now it's time to add your toppings. I used green olives, but you can also choose cut onions, cocktail tomatoes, prosciutto, sauté veggies or your favorite spices. Remember to let them cool down before taking the focaccias away from the parchment paper. Now you only need to bake your focaccia at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. As first dish, zoodles are always a great idea and they are delicious with any pasta sauce. You just have to cook them in warm oil with some powdered garlic. If you'd like to have them ready really fast, cook them uncovered for the first couple of minutes. Then put a lid on your pan and after about 5 minutes finish your preparation uncovered, so the water released by the zucchini will evaporate. When they are almost ready, don't forget to add some salt. Meanwhile, dice some prosciutto and make it crunchy in a pan with some oil and lemon zest. Cut also some fresh parsley that you will sprinkle on the zoodles just before serving. The secret tip to get delicious spaghetti made of zucchini is to dry them as much as possible, like I'm doing right now. Now it's time to add the prosciutto and lemon sauce, your fresh parsley and a lot of grated Parmesan cheese, but mostly to enjoy this deliciousness. Hi everybody! Today's video is dedicated to my beautiful, talented and intelligent daughter and to all the people that like her are affected by Glycogen Storage Disease type 5, also known as McArdle's disease, because a ketogenic diet completely changed her life, giving her fats as a source of energy, help her to go back to a normal life, and I hope this can help you too. I will put a link in the description below. Marinate your meat for half an hour in oil, salt, garlic and onion, then brown it in a very warm pan. Now bake it on a grid for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Use the same pan to prepare the sauce by melting mascarpone and gorgonzola cheese in it. You can also add some chopped walnuts or just one for decorating your filet, like we did. Now it's time for a side dish. These mushrooms are so beautiful and yummy that can be also a perfect starter. These are the easy ingredients you need to prepare very good stuffed mushrooms. Some portobellos, salt, garlic, pepper, butter, mascarpone and grated Parmesan cheese. To prepare amazing mushrooms, season them with salt, powdered garlic and onion. Then add your butter and for 3 of them 250 grams mascarpone cheese. At the end, top everything with good grated Parmesan cheese and they are ready. Remember that you can also add cooked ham or prosciutto, a little sage. Now it's time to put your beautiful mushroom into the oven at 225 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Here, the spectacular dessert. I won't spoil it, just watch the video until the end. To prepare a delicious panna cotta, you will need 500 ml of heavy cream, vanilla, 1 spoon of powdered sweetener, I use erythritol, and 5 grams of gelatin leaves. Warm at high heat half a liter heavy cream, 1 full spoon of powdered sweetener and some vanilla. You can also use seeds, flavor, essence or extract. While you're stirring, leave 5 grams of gelatin leaves in cold water. It will be perfectly soft after about 10 minutes. This is crucial to give the perfect consistency to your dessert. Just before boiling point, take out the vanilla pod, then squeeze and add the gelatin. Some more stirring and your delicious panna cotta will be ready to go into the silicone molds. Don't forget to take it out of the freezer 3 hours before eating, and to make your job easier, let them defrost on individual plates. We love to eat it with berries, but also grated dark chocolate is a yummy alternative. This is our panna cotta, ready to go into the freezer. Don't forget to put a cutting board underneath in order to be able to move it. Happy holidays to everybody! Everybody, today's video is a little different. It's a compilation of old recipe all together. Hi everybody, today's video it's everybody! Today's video is a compilation of old recipes together in order to prepare a perfect ketogenic meal with the starter from the start.